Hey there, this is Mark Matson with the Boathouse Group. I work out of our Door County store, and behind me is a brand new Grady White 251 Coastal Explorer, otherwise known as the 251CE. Grady is renowned for its world-class fit and finish. Today, however, we're going to talk about my 3 favorite things about this boat. Let's go. A few weeks ago, I took this model, the 251CE, from Sturgeon Bay up to Sister Bay, which is about a 26-mile run across the water. I had winds out of the northwest, 2 to 4 feet, braking, and even though this is a bay boat design, I had absolute control, comfortable ride, smooth, precise handling. It was wonderful. The second thing that I love about this Grady 251 is the seating. Now, the real challenge in any center console is backrest seating. The pilot and the skipper are guaranteed to have backrests at the helm, but everybody else, it can kind of be up for grabs. The Grady 251 answers that perfectly. So let's go through and let's look at the backrest seating. So we have one up front. We have a second one right across from it. 3, 4, so up front alone we have 4 backrest seating. Moving back to the helm, we have 5 and 6, and then if you look back at the transom, you'll see that there is backrest seating for at least 3 more adults. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 backrest seats that make this boat incredibly comfortable. So not only is it a fishing machine, and we'll look at that in a second, it is an incredibly comfortable family cruising adventurer. My third favorite thing about this Grady 251 is the fishability of it. It's really extraordinary. It starts up at the front with a factory installed trolling motor pivot plate, and then moving back we have a total of 9 rod holders, 4 rocket launchers in addition on the hardtop. We have 2 storage compartments for tackle, a fish box, a live well in the leaning post, a live well at the transom. It goes on and on and on, which just means that this Grady 251CE is a hardcore fishing machine. So those are my 3 favorite things about this Grady 251 Coastal Explorer. It is a fantastic boat, as I'm sure you agree. Again, my name is Mark Matson. I work with the Boathouse Group out of our Door County store. If I can help you with any research on this or any other Grady White model, please reach out, and in the meantime, I'll see you on the water.